An abstract in a scientific research thesis is a summary that clearly describes the objective of the study. A structured abstract provides pertinent information about the investigation and the research work so that the reader has an idea of the entire study. A strong abstract should comprise the following elements. Point 1. Importance of the topic. 2. Reference to the current literature. 3. Describe the purpose and outcome of the research. Point 4. Indication of the methods used. Point 5. Statement of the key findings and observations. Point 6. Implications of the findings. Since an abstract aims to summarize the thesis, it should be concise and carefully constructed. A typical length of the abstract should be between 200 to 250 words. The well-written abstract must be an active voice. Avoid long descriptive sentences and vague language while writing an abstract. Entice readers by attracting their interest in your research. When presenting new or novel research, it is important to succinctly describe the problem that you have solved. Ensure that the key argument, approach, variables, the scope of the work, evidence to support the main claim, implication of finding, and most important resources are included in the abstract. Finally, the authors should follow this order for their revised abstract. 1. Novelty. 2. Methods. 3. Main findings. 4. Conclusion. The main findings as well as future challenges are very important, and the authors need to provide the most critical outcomes here. Copy and paste the following command and guidelines to generate a thesis abstract using ChatGPT. Guidelines. Point 1. Importance of the topic. Point 2. Reference to the current literature or recent advancements. Point 3. Identification of a knowledge gap or research gap. Point 4. Aim or objective of the research. 5. Describe the purpose and outcome of the research. Point 6. Novelty of the research. Point 7. Indication of the methods used or research methodology. Point 8. Statement of the key findings and observations. 9. Implications of the findings. Point 10. Conclusion. Point 11. Benefits of current research. Point 12. Further research suggestions. Command. Write a technical abstract for the thesis with journal scientific terms using the above keywords and guidelines, and follow this order for the abstract: novelty, methods, main finding, and conclusion. The command and guidelines are provided in the description box to generate the conclusion chapter of the research thesis for your reference. Thank you.